So our friend from Tokyo visited us and we came to Nara Park. We really wanted to see deer. Is there for first time to see deer?
So first time. Oh no, in Norway we have many.
Oh, reindeer?
And my reindeer, but they're in the north. But deer?
They have deer?
Yeah, we have deer as well. My grandpa used to feed them.
Oh.
But they are.
Oops.
But they are not used to humans like this. They're more wild. Oh. But they used to my grandpa.
Deer here are very friendly.
Oh.
No, here they just want free food.
Yeah. Not afraid of human beings.
It's not about friendly.
Is that a deer?
She is so brave to touch them. I'm a bit afraid of them.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi, we you guys.
Yeah.
Hiya.
In Nara, you can feed the steers. You can buy the steer food for $1.4. Look at the steer. He's waiting for the snack right in front of the shop.
Poop everywhere. Poop
Oh
section.
yeah, true. I stepped on them. Look how many expecting. Guys, sorry. He's not getting food for you guys.
Ow!
Just getting food for you guys.
Poop everywhere. He's biting.
You know. Oh my god. Oh my god. So
I'm gonna
many.
kick you and bite you. You gotta get aggressive. Make them bow for it. They gotta bow for it.
Bow.
Just toss one into the street.
No, もったいないじゃん. She wanna feed by herself.
I know, but don't get them away.
You need to be nice.
Be nice.
They're so greedy.
I know.
Oh no, not the baby.
Not the baby. No, not the baby.
Go away. Go.
No.
Ow.
Oh no! Oh no!
You got pooped on?
They bite you?
No, they nibble me. They pull my clothes.
Yeah, they
bite
did
my
me too.
clothes.
Yeah, they bit me.
Yeah, ここも.
Oh!
That's what you get for trying to feed them.
You guys are a bit scary.
だって they don't leave you at all.
Yes, I saw.
なんか they don't give me a chance to even open up the package.
No matter.
マナがめっちゃ悪い。
But Hinata successfully gave the symbol to reindeer.
あ、本
It
当
was really nice.
Oh really? I didn't see it. I was busy protecting myself. アイスクリームに絹がないか。
Guys, I want to get the ice cream too.
We had a little rough time with the deer, but apparently they are considered God's companions. When God originally came to the shrine long time ago, he came on a white deer. There are about 1,300 deers around Nara Park.
What's the special area? 500 yen special ticket.
Maybe we should leave the stroller.
So it's a whole like thing inside. Yeah.
1, 2. So. Hey. 1, 2. Yes. Big step. Yes. 1, 2. Yes. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yay! This way, come. This way, こっち.
かわいい。
Oh, wow.
綺麗な色。欲しい。
おうちに。
Everything is just so peaceful. Yeah. Trees are so old. Old beautiful trees.
Yes.
I can just feel like how
Yeah.
much soul they have. I've been there for so long, keeping the ground. And
Air is so tasty.
even in the city, if you go to a jinja, the air is different
Yeah, oh,
inside
yes,
the jinja.
yes,
Even
yes.
though we're in the middle of the Tokyo.
Yeah.
Norwegian forest is like so.
Like only
Straight train.
street tree. I like a Christmas tree.
There's a Christmas trees everywhere.
Same everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere.
Whenever we see ancient trees, we touch them like this to feel their energy.
Tree. You got the energy?
Yeah. Maybe. I got one.
You wanna try? Touch. Appreciate the tree.
Protecting this area.
Let's go.
Hey, come.
What's it saying?
It's like Team Lab.
Look how these trees are intertwined with each other. Look at these old trees. People think big trees are our protectors, so they built this building around it. Our daughters have very different personalities and didn't get along so well when they were babies. But now they seem to be having a good time together, and it makes me happy.
First time to see cotton.
I want to touch it.
I think this is like how they used to dry rice. これなんだっけ？エイコーン？
そうかな？
ね、どんぐり。
そうだねボイシーから売ってる。
Good shape.
These are really beautiful. We should come over here.
Yeah. 秋だね。これあると。
I can't wait until it get really fluffy.
Oh, it will, yeah,
When
later.
they get really fluffy?
Fluffy.
そう。
This is Suzuki.
ポンとする。
These things?
Yes. Peaceful.
Can you hear the peaceful sound of flowing water? Japan is famous for these kind of beautiful carp. How they open their mouth is so cute.
This is the first time I see they sell food.
You know they sell this is the first place.
Yeah.
Carps? Sometimes, I see sometimes.
本当? But this
Yeah.
is the first place I've seen where you can give them food.
What happened?
I wanted my daughter to feed the carp too, but she's sleeping very deeply.
やばい。
Honestly.
We got hungry, let's go eat some dinner.
Right, feeding time. Very serious with your work. Good job. So heavy.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit the subscribe button and like button and leave some comments. Thank you. Bye.